I'm Carl Anthony with AutoSens TV here at AutoSens in Brussels, Belgium at Auto World, speaking today with Matt Shobe, the Chief Product Officer for Mighty AI. And Matt, so good to see you today.
Carl, thanks for taking the time and stopping by.
Matt, you're welcome. So, very extensive role you have with the company. Tell me about your work with Mighty AI. Tell me about your everyday job.
It's a lot of different things. Help running products, so getting involved with working on, we have our community tools. We have over 200,000 annotators who mark up and label data for our customers who are developing autonomous vehicle artificial intelligence systems. So we're doing some work on better tooling and better community experiences for those the almost 250,000 people. We have, of course, our customer tooling and the work we do with our customers to deliver the results to them. And there's also just customer service and for future product planning work that I get involved with as well. So kind of runs the gamut.
Matt, you said customer tooling.
Yep.
That really stuck out, sounds fascinating. Let's elaborate on that a little bit.
All right, so that is the set of tools that we offer to deliver training data as a service end-to-end for our customers who are developing autonomous vehicle solutions, the deep learning, the AIs that they're using to power autonomous vehicles.
So in your mind, Matt, why is having that tooling so important to automated driving?
Well, safety is a big factor here, and accuracy is key for these from manufacturers and tier 1 suppliers. They are gathering petabytes and petabytes. You know, that's millions and billions of photographs equivalent of data a day with their fleets out there, and they need to use that data to train their systems and to validate their systems, and to do that accurately and at the scale that automakers require. That's a lot of work that they don't want to do in-house, and our service covers it end-to-end for them. And so we take that whole workflow process and guarantee quality, and as a result, we take a big process that they would otherwise not want to manage inside the house and make that work for them.
So Matt, tell me about what you're displaying here then at AutoSens. What do you have on your table here today?
Well, on the table we've got some fascinating pens and chargers here, which have been flying off the shelves. Great margin on that stuff. But anyway, no, we've been running this demo video showing some of our tooling, some of our the community experience, the kinds of labeling that we do, from semantic segmentation, which means every single pixel in a dash cam image is getting marked up and being labeled as what it is in a scene, like a pedestrian, a street sign, the road, lane lines, all the things that a self-driving computer vision system needs to understand and to predict what's going to happen in a scene. Other kinds of markup as well, and just been talking to all sorts of folks about how we use that tooling and those systems to deliver the training data in the end.
What are some of the advantages to Mighty AI's approach? What are some of the advantages to your technology that you may not see elsewhere in the market?
Scale and guaranteed accuracy and quality. We know our customers have a ton of data, and it's not going to do them any good if they can't process it and they can't turn it into predictive value and insights for their AI models. So we give them that scale and accuracy capability, and we take the entire process off their hands so that they can focus on continuing to develop their models and their core technology for whatever their autonomous vehicle application is.
Something unique about Mighty AI that people may not think of or may not know. What is something unique about Mighty AI that maybe isn't common knowledge to everybody?
We have 4 Darrens, at least 4 Matts, at least 3 Phils. We have a ridiculous amount of first name overlap, so there's a lot of last names in Slack. That's probably not what you were looking for, but nonetheless, it's one of those odd things about the team. We also, people may not know this, our global annotation community, the folks who we have out there that we pay for their spare time, who do the tasks of doing all this labeling, are over 200,000 people in 155 countries.
Matt, last question.
Yeah.
You mentioned that your pens are flying off the table.
Well, got a few extras now, but yes.
I can have one.
Supplied. Oh, you may absolutely. You can have two, Carl, if you really want.
I am going to take my 2 pens, Matt. But before I take my 2 pens, I want to thank you for speaking with us here at AutoSens TV and being part of the event here in Brussels.
Happy to be here. It's been great. I'm kind of a car guy at heart, so it's been really awesome to find myself in this position in this industry.
Carl Anthony with AutoSens TV speaking with Matt from Mighty AI, who gave us some extra pins today. For more AutoSens TV, like and share.